Prior to plotting, we're going to create a triangulation of the design surface. In Plan View 1 we've turned off all the models except for Road 1 sections and strings, and we're going to create a tin of this data. If you select the option Tins, Create, Triangulate Data, we'll type in the function name tin space design. The tin name will be design, press enter, and the color will be magenta. The data will be the view, and it'll be view 1. And under nulling, we're going to pick apply nulling, and as we have a string going all the way around the edges of the data, we're going to just select a length of 1 meter and click triangulate. If you go to the plus button and turn on tin design, you should see a triangulation covering all of the sections and strings. First type of plot we're going to look at is a quick plan plot. With all of our plots that we're going to be doing, we'll be plotting them to a model and then check them in a new plan view. So we'll create that new plan view now, and we're going to give it a name preview. We select the option view, create, plan view, type in preview and click create. We'll then use this view later to check any of our plots. So we'll just minimize that view for the moment. For our initial quick plan plot, in Plan View 1, just turn off tin design. We're going to turn on the model's alignment, survey road crown, and survey pavement edge. We can then click select. If we zoom in near the end of the road, such as you see here, we're now going to do a quick plot covering this area here. The option we're going to use will be Quick Sheet Plot, and to do this we click on the printer icon and click on Quick Sheet Plot. For this exercise we can also maximize Plan View 1. When we first select this option, it will give us a sheet which is locked into the actual frame of the view. It is an A4 sheet, and as we zoom in and out, it will stay locked to the drawing edge and update the scale as we do this. We're going to change a couple of things. Firstly, we're going to change the scale to 1 to 500. So type in 500 and press enter. We can then move the plot frame as it's now anchored to a ground coordinate. We can click on the Place Rectangle by Origin icon and just place it down near the end of the road. Left click, middle click. We're going to send the plot to a model, and the model name will be Preview Quick Plot. We're going to change the text style to Arial. The size we'll change to 2.5. The title line 1 we'll type in check plot, and for title line 2 we'll type in for intersection. The title color will change to blue. We then click plot. Now as it's been plotted to a model, we simply now move to our preview view, go to the plus button and turn on preview quick plot. Here you'll see the little title block around the edge with what we've typed in for title line 1 and 2. It has the date and the time, and it shows what we plotted out. Once you've seen the plot, we can then finish on this panel. The next plot we're going to do is a quick section plot. So we'll just minimize our preview view, we'll minimize the section view, and we're going to reprofile the alignment string. So from the section view we click on the profile icon, and we're going to pick on the alignment string and accept. Just ensure that in your long section view you should have survey sewer pipe, survey water pipe and tin ground still turned on. In the section view we're going to zoom in to this area where we can actually see the water pipe and the sewer pipe sitting under the road, and we'll maximize the view to get the biggest area, and we're going to click printer plot. Now this time we don't have the option of picking a sheet size, so we're going to again send it to a model, and this time will be quick section plot. We're going to change the scale to 500, and it will calculate what the actual sheet size is going to be. So we'll just accept the defaults they've got there. If you're trying to do an A4, just bear in mind that the distance in millimeters would have to be smaller than the dimensions of an A4 sheet. We're going to basically just change the color to blue. We're not going to fill anything else in at the moment. Again, we can check this in our preview view, turn off preview quick plot, and turn on preview section plot. We'll just finish on section plot,